Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make scrambled eggs. So people talk about a lot of different methods of cooking scrambled eggs. Some people think you want a pan, high heat, scrambled beforehand, mixed in, chunky, ribbony. Some people want them very soft. Some people talk about Gordon Ramsay method. I think you just basically need to cook them very soft, very gently, stirring them constantly and just being careful on how much heat you're putting into the pan. So let's make some scrambled eggs, okay? I'm gonna use a pot, okay? I'm not gonna scramble the eggs before, I'm gonna scramble them in the pot. Melt some butter into the pot, just control the temperature, cook them nice and gently, and then I'm gonna season them with salt, and that's it, okay? You just wanna be careful with heat. That's the biggest thing you're thinking of. Cooking eggs is actually quite difficult. Cooking eggs is one of the most technical things that you can do. So let me show you how I like to think about scrambled eggs, okay? So I'm gonna start with a couple knobs of butter in the pan. Crack your egg. Generally, you should always crack eggs into a bowl and then put them into where you're going, just to make sure that you get no shell inside your pan. All right, so one, for that two. Butter is just about melted. Okay, I'm gonna go eggs in. 3 eggs. Break them up. You don't want too much heat to come into the egg right away because you're gonna make it ribbony. You want it to be really smooth. You want it to be those protein strands of egg not too clumpy and rubbery, basically. They overcook where eggs, it becomes rubbery. So that's what you're trying not to do. Just trying to give really gentle heat in the pan. So you put some heat into the pan, stir it, right? Take it off and mix it in. Now, some people talk about cooking scrambled eggs in a bain-marie. So basically a double boiler. So you have water in here, and then you would have a bowl like this, right? And then you crack your eggs, and you cook your eggs in that bowl with the steam that comes up from the first pot. Now that's a very gentle way of cooking. Right? You're gonna have very nice soft eggs if you cook it like that, but it's gonna take way too long. And I just don't think you really need to. I don't think it's super necessary, you know? I think if you do it properly on the stove like this and you do it with a lot of care and attention, they come out just fine. In fact, they're really delicious. You want to use a wooden spoon, okay? Don't use a whisk, okay? What happens when you whisk eggs like this, when you're trying to cook them really gently, it kind of like separates and they become watery, all right? Especially if you cook them over top of a bain-marie. I remember when I first started cooking, I was at a French restaurant in Toronto, and I really wanted to make like the perfect scrambled eggs. And so using all the knowledge that I had about eggs, I was like, okay, I want to cook them really gently. I want to break them down. I want them to be very refined and delicious. So I'm going to cook them over a bain-marie, and I'm going to use a whisk to make them very fine and smooth and delicious, right? And in theory, I guess it made sense, but in practice it didn't, because I whisked the eggs so much that they almost separated. They were almost like curdled and split. So I learned that the best way to do it is actually just with a wooden spoon. And you don't really need a bain-marie if you do this properly. So if you look at this, where I'm at here, okay, constantly taking the egg off the bottom of the pan, you're getting there. They're still really runny, right? They're still pretty rare, you would say, okay? So they need more cooking. All right, so we'll put them just back on. You see, heat hits the bottom of the pan, starts coming up into the egg, and as the heat starts to get too high, you just pull it off. You look at it, and you can feel the heat coming in. All right, now we're almost there. They're looking really nice. Now, what I like to do is, at the point where they're pretty much where you want them, and you don't want any more heat in the egg, take another knob of butter and drop it in at the end. It'll cool them down. It'll stop it from cooking, and it'll just sort of mount into the eggs, and it'll make them very creamy and soft. See it sort of come together. Now is when you put salt. Right at the end. Okay. You get your bowl. Pepper. There you have a perfect scrambled eggs. when you put that butter in right at the end and you mix it in, being careful with the heat, you really make them fluffy and creamy and rich and full. Makes them shiny, fully emulsified, and it's just so pleasurable to eat. It's almost like porridge, you know, soft scrambled eggs. Pretty fun good.